thinks of cauliflower as a main course, right? In Ikaria, we do. And I'm making a braised cauliflower dish today. And we always start with, yes, extra virgin Greek olive oil. And we just want to soften it up a little bit. You can always add just a pinch of salt, and you cook them a little bit faster that way. Tomato paste also goes in, and that will help thicken up the sauce. And just get everything else ready in the meantime. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes. So these needed to be soaked for about 15 minutes and then just coarsely chopped. Waste not, want not. This is also going into the cauliflower stew. Reveal moment. Beautiful color. The recipe calls for pitted green olives, but I actually think it looks prettier if you leave the olives whole. And there we go. That is so meaty. Healthy plant-based main courses, easy to cook with everyday ingredients. That's the Ikaria way.